Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? This is Chichi Beauty World. So guys, yeah, we are on our way to Italy for the holiday, and yeah, we decided to drive down there, and Papa is over there driving and the boys are there relaxing. So we left very early in the morning. Yeah, and it's about now it's about 11:17. We still have 3 more hours to drive before we get to our destination, guys. So talk to you guys later. See you guys, just an updating guys what's up, what's going on. Okay guys, see you guys later when we get to our destination. Maybe I could do little vlogs, like little vlogs, show you guys around, or go out with the kids. Yeah, those are my boys over there. Say hello. Hello. So, see you guys later when we get to our destination. I'll be taking some clips, not just everything, but some clips of what our journey looks like, guys. So see you guys. Bye. Hello beautiful people, so we have gotten to our destination. We are in Ancona yet in Italy, and this is our holiday house, what it looks like. Over there is the TV, just a little room tour. So I'll be turning it over, flipping the camera over to show you guys what our holiday apartment looks like. It's a little one, but it's beautiful, guys. So over here we have the TV, we have the cupboard, and these are the bed for the children. We have 3 beds here, even though we have 4. We have 4 boys, but we just managed these 3 beds for the children, and I think that will be enough for them. These are our luggage. Our luggage are here, and other basin. Over there is a towel, and here we have 2 toilets here for the men and the other for the ladies, like, yeah.
And no, it's not
and
a
this
toilet.
is for glasses. Hey, be careful, I'm making video here.
It's not a toilet.
And this is what
it's wash hand.
like, yeah,
it's a wash hand.
This
it's
toilet.
for baby.
And this
It's
is
for baby to
the
wash hand.
shower. This is the
It's
shower.
for baby to wash hand.
It's okay, close it. And this
It's
is the
for
shower, yeah. And this is the shower here. It's beautiful over here. And we have this little curtain to draw over. And from here you can see our the sides. This is the beautiful sides here. There's like it's like a valley. So we have a little balcony outside there to sit. And the bathroom is so clean.
And we have a seat out.
We have here over is we have the room for the parents. This is our room with a big bed here. So beautiful. So it's very little beds. Trust me guys, here is a seat. It's little, but it is so nice for the holiday time. We are spending just 2 weeks here. And we're going to be having fun here. Guys, so see you guys in another clip. I'll be taking you guys
later
on the little clip of our journey. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys in another clip. Have a nice day. Bye. So this is my view from the holiday home that we are lodged in. This is the valley. We are like on the valley, like you can see all these places are valleys. You see nature. So, and this is the balcony. Here it's so nice out here. You just feel nature. Look at this place. This is the window side of the bedroom, and this is the main house of the it's so beautiful out here. Like you feel nature. Everywhere is so green.
To Ancona. This is our holiday resort. This is our garden where the children are playing. And here is the pool. And we are here in Via Alessandro. We have a beautiful garden attached to our holiday apartment. And it's really, really pretty here. We are having a nice time here around. Very quiet and just a stone's zone to the city. You have everything to yourself. Go to the pool when you want, and the sea is not far away. And here is our holiday house where we live. It's pretty good here, pretty quiet, nice neighbors if there is any. It's really, really beautiful. The children are having a nice time. We have our own garden. So, like you can see, they are having a nice time here. It's pretty beautiful. Good one out there. And you just go out of your garden, you're in your apartment, and behind everywhere. You can see for yourself. Beautiful environment. No stress. Natural, pure nature.